Hi everyone, on today's segment I'll be making a chicken with cream, saffron, and dill sauce. Keep the chicken pieces at no more than ½ inch thick and season well on both sides with salt and pepper. Chop 1 onion, chop 1/4 to ½ cup of dill, use any kind of neutral-based oil such as safflower, canola, even vegetable oil. On medium heat, saute each piece for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. If needed, add more oil to the pan and saute the onions for about 5 to 7 minutes until translucent. To deglaze the pan, I'll add a cup of cream and 1 tablespoon of butter. Season with salt and pepper. Saffron is an amazing aromatic that I love to use in my Middle Eastern dishes. This is a step that you can omit. However, if you'd like to add that into the dish, I've left the link of the brand that I use below this video. Stir for a few minutes until the cream comes to a boil. Add the chicken pieces and you're ready to serve. Thank you again for watching, and if you like what you just saw, don't forget to drop me a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.